Greece is one of our favorite places to be. We always say it about many countries, but because of this, you are on the beach every day, surrounded by nothingness, nothing around, just you and Sarah, my wife. Good morning YouTube from the most beautiful place on the planet Earth. Yes, we are Joni and Sarah and we are traveling with that van all around Europe. Sun is actually coming up at the moment and we are packing things up. We have been enjoying this camp spot for quite many days and there is a reason for that. We figured out that in Greece you can order packages to these automats, lockers, and there's also option to pay when you pick up the box, so you don't have to actually pay the order until you have actually received it. So if anything goes wrong, you don't lose your money and you have to go on your trip. You can just leave the package there and you lost nothing. Yeah, but we're gonna go 5 kilometers that way. There's a town, they have box now lockers and gonna use that. There ain't Amazon in Greece, but they have Scrooge. It's a local Amazon-like website. Basically it lists all the web shops in Greece, and there are a lot of web shops in Greece and they are quite fast to deliver. Ours came in 4 days or 5 days because there was a weekend between there. We are a bit anxious to leave because we have now used this really slow traveling. How slow? We can see land over there. We were there 3.5 weeks ago. So we usually drive like 5 kilometers, spend many days on one place and then again drive 3 kilometers. We have this mess that we have to tackle. It's always the same thing. When you are on the same place for longer periods of time,
yeah, it accumulates mess. We have laptops, clothes, trash, everything laying here. But today is an exciting day. It's a moving day.
Yeah, and about the trash, there are always bins on the beaches, like 50 meters that way, but we don't use those because on the winter time on these beaches they don't regularly empty them. So we usually drive to the towns near the main road and dust the trash there because they are emptied more often, and these which are not emptied, they accumulate mess around because cats and things go there and spread everything from the trash. Box now. It worked great. I have really big surprise for Sarah.
You needed to buy me a phone. I'm so cheapskate that I don't want to buy a new phone. My old one is broken. Thank you. Was this expensive?
No, it was nicely priced.
Oh, thank you. Christmas came early.
And the reason why I bought it, Sarah's phone is really old, it's broken.
And I bought it used.
And Sarah was actually planning to use our hotspot phone. And its camera is broken, and this is a OnePlus 3, I think over 10-year-old phone.
Oh.
Now Sarah has phone.
Thank you.
Yes, Sarah got her phone. What else we actually bought? For example, headphones. Our last ones broke down because they were left between the back doors. So now we have new ones. Sarah doesn't like the cup ones that I have for my
gaming
laptop, you know, so these are good for editing. And tempered glasses for both of our phones. Mic adapter for our Insta360 camera, so you can use it in different ways in the future, also using the mic. And some memory cards for Sarah's phone and also 360 camera, because we had too slow memory card for 360 camera, so now it's perfect.
I'm speechless.
Sarah has a phone.
Yeah. But because we don't pay rent, we can buy stuff like this and enjoy. So it's a good feeling.
Basically what I did on the web shop, I used this AB grocery store address there. It just asked me address and I used this, and I ordered the box now. Lockers. That's how I roll in every country. If they ask address, I look for hotel or some address that is there available. So we're gonna empty these packages and leave the packages here.
That's why we don't haul.
Trash.
Yeah, trash that they are trying to sell us. We just want the product inside.
Sometimes even if we go to the grocery store, we always pack things out of their box. For example, pizza, Gewurst. And that's why we don't produce that much trash on the road.
Yeah.
But only on these places where is a trash bin. For example, Lidl.
Our next stop was to go grocery shopping in Lidl, and guess what? They have a Scandinavian days there, so all the Nordic tastes. So we did buy these blueberries. Fingers crossed these are real blueberries and not those non-tasty ones from the bushes like the grown ones. Yeah. Södergarden. Joni, what do you think about the Lidl in Greece?
The prices are almost same as in Finland, so we spent around 340 euros per month for food.
Yeah, Greece is not really cheap country to live in.
But still we don't
go cheap on like a feta and halloumi.
tzatziki.
Yeah. And these pita breads are, these were like €1 and something. So these seem really cheap to us. But oatmeal is €2. It's really expensive oatmeal. And also eggs are incredibly expensive here. Yeah. And bread is expensive. Tuna is not expensive, so fish is quite cheap. And vine leaf rolls and these giant beans in the tomato sauce. I love these. Yeah, and we decided...
But olive pomace oil.
Yeah.
So that is not virgin oil or extra virgin or anything. It's just the oil that is left behind otherwise. Gonna use that for frying.
And getting our grocery budget really down, because we usually use extra virgin oil for everything and it's not really... It's kind of wasteful.
Yeah, we use 5 liter bucket in 3 months.
Whew. It got so hot inside of the van, so now I will arrange. All this were almost €100, so yeah, it's kind of expensive. But yeah, at least the sun is shining and we are living the dream, right?
One thing that I love our van, that we can always drive to the centrals. We don't have to worry about parking or anything, so we can always find parking spot and we don't get stuck inside of these really narrow roads or streets. Yeah, it's really hard to find parking spot for motorhome, and also, yeah, it might get quite strict in the centrals because people will park, yeah, in the corners, so you have hard to actually maneuver here. Yeah, gonna go to the Vodafone store, as we told earlier, to buy a new
SIM card, prepaid one.
So we're gonna change from the Cosmote to Vodafone because it's like now, when the Cosmote price increased, 400 euros more, but there is a monthly package, when in Cosmote there is only weekly package which increases in price, and you can do it only twice a month. That was fast. In Cosmote it took almost half an hour to fill all the things.
Paperwork.
So here they just written down our passport and took a photocopy and gave us the SIM card. Works much better because now the lady is there putting all the information to their system.
And we don't have to wait. We can just go enjoy the beach life.
Beach life! It's always the same thing. Local apps you cannot install to your Android or iPhone device. On iPhone I don't know how it works, but Android you can always download an APK. So basically a package from internet and install it manually. You need to change some settings on your phone, but you can find it really easy to Google when you Google how to install APK files. For example, now my Vodafone Greece couldn't download it on the Android Play Store, so I just downloaded the APK file, and now I have my Vodafone Greece on my phone. You can always install the local apps manually, so don't worry anywhere. Just be happy. We are making laundry at Nea Folenia. They had the laundry room totally full of people. Now we get to Nea Modania.
Close enough.
Close enough. Also here the laundry room seems to be quite full. So never ever make anything on Wednesday in Greece.
Yeah, that's like a running errands day. But good day to run errands is Tuesday, because Greek people are afraid of Tuesdays. They are very superstitious. It's like a bad omen day. So they just stay in their houses. And you can just be wherever you want to, totally alone.
Yeah, Greek people are really superstitious.
Yeah.
And also religious. And I'm always wondering how those can mix up. Because religious and superstitious, they should be blocking each other away.
Yeah.
But no.
They just believe everything,
Yeah.
it seems.
There's really strange beliefs in Greece.
Yeah.
But the laundry room of Nea Modania is our next target.
Yeah, let's test that one out. Yes.
We need the coconut cord to our composting toilet, and we have to come to the city. Yeah. So now we have it. This was one of the only shop that sell this. Basically, 420 growers know that it's hard to find this. Yeah. But now we are good for 5 months.
It's so loud in there, and our Vandalf is there, waiting in a place where you cannot park. So we are hoping we don't get fines. These lights take forever to turn grey, and it's so loud here. Whoa! This is best way to visit these big cities. Just park your van wherever you can just fit it there, if it's okay or not, and then go run some errands and then go back to your home. Yeah. We couldn't park our van next to that grow shop because the alley was so tiny. So
And also there ain't parking lots.
hectic day is over.
And we are away from the Thessaloniki.
Thank God. Horrible, horrible city.
And another thing that we avoid this today was the toll roads. There was quite many toll roads from Thessaloniki to Athens, and we escaped from the all. Yeah, it took us small roads.
Very interesting routes.
One-way bridges, and there was lots of farm
tractors and collecting cotton. These super wide
machines coming to us. But yeah, we saved like 30 euros and drove 70 minutes more.
Yeah, but we did spend the whole day running errands. But
So now we are
before the sunset, so
Yes.
it's a good feeling. And this is some kind of wetlands area. This is a bird watching tower and sanctuary for the birds. So there's a big wetlands and a lot of mosquitoes. So we will soon shelter this evening inside of the van. But super quiet and beautiful place.
again,
And really clean looking.
and we are not on a beach, sand beach. That is been our theme while we have been on the Greek side.
Yeah,
So something different.
wetlands.
Wetlands. What the fuck are those?